it's YOLZ and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. Can you tell? So 2 words for you: get excited. This video is all about the 2019. Even the thunder is excited. Did you hear that? We are finally talking about the 2019 hair challenge. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I can't hold it back anymore. I've even got notes to contain myself so that we stick to the time. Anyway, let's get straight into this video without any further ado. If you do enjoy it, give this video a massive thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you are ready for this. And of course, how you plan on doing your challenge. As I get into the details, things might get a lot clearer. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much.
Hey there. It's YOLZ channel.
Alrighty, so the hair challenge kickstarts officially on the 31st of January 2019. Who's invited? Who's involved? What happens, y'all? So everybody is invited. You, yes, and you. Everybody's invited. Relaxed hair, transitioning, and of course, if you are natural, join in on the fun. This is a hashtag healthy hair challenge. Before we even get excited, YOLZ is excited, y'all. YOLZ is excited. Before we even get into the social media part of things, y'all, what are we doing? So we're gonna focus on mini challenges every 90 days of this year, if that makes sense. I mean, some days might not be exactly 90 days because we are well into January. So yeah, we're gonna start off with focusing on our hairline, this section of our hair, as well as our scalp. That is the focus for our first 90 days. That is from February right up until end of April. We are focusing on scalp health and hairline growth, meaning we are gonna take our oils out. We are gonna take all of the goodness that is gonna help us promote scalp health and promote growth on our scalp. That's gonna help stimulate hair growth up in there, and of course help us regrow this area, especially if you have a weak hairline like I do, or worse, you are having a receding hairline, one that's almost moonwalking, or even worse than that, a hairline that does not exist. Okay, it's okay. Whatever the struggle is, the first 90 days will be focusing on purely that. Alrighty, so now for the technicalities, we're going to be doing scalp massages using different kinds of oils. It's honestly up to you what oils you want to use. I will show you guys what oils I'll be using, and I'll be changing things up as I go along in this journey. It's not compulsory to use what I use, but I do recommend oils that do promote hair growth anyway. So anyway, let's get into what we'll be doing, the methods rather, and then we'll focus on the products later. Alrighty, so we'll be massaging our scalp at least 3 times a week. Minimum 3 times. You can go for 4 or 5 times a week. 3 times a week is basically every other day, and that just means you massaging your scalp for about 2 or 3 minutes, spending time in there with an oil on your fingers. So just lightly add a dime size. You guys know I don't necessarily base my scalp. If you are a baser, you can go ahead, but I feel like you're using more product when you base your scalp anyway. I'm just not too into that. But when it comes to massaging my scalp using an oil for this challenge, I will be using some thicker oils than normal and actually massaging my scalp. And then as for the hairline, the same thing applies. 3 times a week minimum. You can do more if you want to. I'll also be utilizing these oils. I've already started using my Old Faithful Tea Tree 4Z to massage into my hairline, and I'm seeing a difference already. I've been doing a lot of protective styles lately. I literally did this today just before filming, so it does look a little scraggly, but it's fine. It's a simple hairstyle. I literally just flat twisted my hair and added this ponytail, which I can take off at night and go to bed just as is, and my hair is not braided at the back. So yeah, this is literally free reign. I want us to start with a very small responsibility, so to call it, because I know we need to make this challenge a lot more chewable so that more of us can join and more of us can succeed and more of us can have hair that's flourishing together, if you know what I mean. As for treatments and rinses and experiments, YOLZ is gonna go ham. I'm warning you now, I'm gonna go crazy, okay? I'm gonna do crazy and extreme hair challenges this year. I am letting loose, I'm experimenting with my hair, and I just want to see what the craze is regarding onion rinses, regarding the rice water rinses, and trying out new things, really getting out of my comfort zone and seeing whether or not these things work, so that you also have an opinion one day and a good review from myself, you know, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't, seeing what you might want to try as well. Some things we know of, some things we don't know of, but I want to be the person that's putting it out there and having you see me through this journey. Oh, for the products. Before I start talking about my excitement, let me talk to you about the product. My main go-to when it comes to my hairline, honestly, most of you already know, is my T444Z. So I'll be reaching for this very often in this challenge. And then something else that I really want to get into using more often, I've used this once. This is the Jamaican black castor hair growth oil. This is really good. The smell is very potent. It's very sharp, so I think it's great if you are somebody who pre-poos. Something I also want to try this year. I want to pre-poo. This is really strong. Even the smell is quite strong, but I mean, once a week I would probably reach for this if I do. The other castor oil that I do have is the standard Tropic Living Jamaican black castor oil. This one is in lavender and I really like it. I've used it a couple of times. I don't have a problem with it and it does work. It helps to thicken the hair. And yeah, so I might reach for this when I need it. For those of us who want an affordable option, there's also the smaller version of the Jamaican black castor oil. You can get the original one, you can get a lavender one, you can get a different scent. I think there's also a rosemary, the one with rosemary oil, the one with lavender oil, like I mentioned earlier. So yeah, there's different types, but I do believe that castor oil should be the one common thread that we include in all of our oils. Even if you're gonna do a regular mix of your own oils, there's grapeseed oil in here and olive oil. All I need to still add here is my Jamaican black castor oil. So again, I will switch it up as I feel and as I go along. It just keeps it fun and interesting, and I don't want this to be really boring. So to make it more fun, I want us to be involved on social media using the hashtag YOLZ Healthy Hair Challenge. You know, I want us to get so involved that I feature some of your pictures here on my channel. When I do my hair challenge updates, I'll be doing challenge updates every single month. So I really want this to be a community thing. I don't want it to be a YOLZ hair challenge necessarily. The hashtag is just so that I can find you on social media, on Twitter, on Facebook, and on Instagram. But I really want it to be an our thing. And then of course on my Facebook page, by the way, I do have a hair page on Facebook called YOLZ Channel. I want to feature your progress pictures over time. Of course, for now we want the starting pictures. So if you are going to post something like, oh, I am doing the YOLZ hair challenge, I want to be able to repost that on my Facebook. I want to be able to repost that on my Insta stories on Instagram. So please get involved. Let's get excited together. I am so excited. If there's anything else that I've missed out because I talk so much, I will put it down in the description box. And yeah, just let me know how you're feeling. Are you taking part? Yes. If you've got any questions, ask away, okay? I just want this to be a community thing, as I said earlier. If you guys did enjoy this video, give it a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Tell me if you're gonna be part of it or not. Yes. Of course, y'all, there's gonna be prizes, so that is without any question, without any doubt. There will be prizes and giveaways, tons of them, in fact. Even the thunder is agreeing with us. So yeah, that is it from me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.